Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 26th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the US dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty decent little push up today, as you can see. I think that this is going to most likely go up and take out the previous highs. So now I have my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last impulsive movement up. I wouldn't be surprised if throughout the Asian session, if it did maybe make a deeper pullback. But until we have some sort of a break of structure to the downside on at least a 4-hour time frame and up, I am definitely still bullish, and I am for sure still looking for a nice engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, until the higher time frames give me a reason to stop looking for longs, I am definitely still going to be looking for three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, and golfing moves to the upside for entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.